ACC Adaptive Cruise Control. ACC Adaptive Cruise Control increases comfort in everyday driving situations. The system can maintain a constant speed of your choosing. If your Volkswagen approaches a vehicle in front, ACC will automatically adapt the speed using camera and radar data to maintain your preset distance. If the distance decreases as a result of a vehicle cutting in from the side, ACC will automatically reduce speed until the preset distance has been re-established. Using the camera and the navigation system, your Volkswagen is able to recognize traffic signs, enabling ACC to adjust the vehicle speed in advance. Based on route data, ACC can also recognize bends, intersections, and roundabouts. It will slow the vehicle down accordingly and then accelerate again to return to the preset speed. Even if vehicles ahead come to a standstill, ACC can slow your Volkswagen down and, in conjunction with an automatic transmission, start it up again within a certain time frame as soon as traffic starts moving again. That's how easy, comfortable driving can be with ACC Adaptive Cruise Control.
Volkswagen.